Yay, I'm so excited. I just received my box from Taste the Liquor. Taste the Liquor was created during this pandemic due to COVID-19, of course, where they saw the need to help others get their favorite Jamaican and African ingredients right to their doorstep. It's amazing. It's an amazing concept. I love it. So let's see what we have in this box. She sent some nice notes. We get thanking me for the support and enjoy your Jamaican goodies, which I will. We have she sent a complete recipe with directions, so you don't have to worry about searching for any type of recipe or anything like that. And we have let me see what goodies we have in there. I see saltfish, which is packed so nicely. Very, very nice. I love it. Then we have ackee, fresh ackee, which I've never had. This I'm very, very excited for. Very, very excited to try this fresh ackee. I always have the can, but I know I'm in for a delicious, delicious treat. I just can't wait to enjoy my fresh ackee. I know we have here some dry rubs or dry spices. We have an all-purpose seasoning. We have a black pepper. And we have a Scotch bonnet pepper powder. She also sent a jerk flavored pepper sauce, which I would love. We also have a mango and ginger drink, which I know I would love. I love anything mango and ginger. And last but not least, we have some breadfruit chips. Oh my God. This I love. This I love. Hey, she even sent me a little snack in the box. Can't go wrong with that. And for that fresh ackee, I just can't wait. I just can't wait. So let's recap. We have the saltfish, ackee, the drink, the pepper sauce, the dry seasoning, the breadfruit chips. You have all the full recipe, which I think it's a bonus. It's a big bonus. Thank you so much, Taste the Liquor.